you ever seen a devta attack a mother's womb out of fear or a goddess use her own unborn child as a weapon of revenge? Sounds extreme, right? But this is exactly what unfolds in the second episode of Shiv Shakti. And hidden behind that intensity is a deep truth about fear, ego, and destruction. Let's begin.
In episode 1, we saw the beginning of imbalance. Shiv, the embodiment of calm, remained in meditation. Shakti, the divine feminine, had not yet awakened in her full form. And in this vacuum, fear began to grow and greed began to rise. In episode 2, we witnessed two forces pushing nature towards destruction. Dev Indra, afraid of losing his throne, does the unthinkable. He attacks a womb, not Aditi directly, but her unborn child. The one place no violence should ever reach, a mother's womb, becomes a battlefield, all because of Bhai. On the other side, we see Diti, not as a nurturing mother, but a goddess consumed by ambition. She doesn't protect her child, she uses him as a tool, as a weapon. One acted out of fear, and the other out of greed. एक का बल, दूसरे का लालच, दोनों मिलकर प्रकृति को नष्ट करने चले गए. Asuras were greedy to rule heaven. Devindra was scared to lose it, and caught in between was the creation itself. Shivji reflects, कभी किसी यात्रा पे गए हो? Then you already know, the lighter you pack, the easier the journey. और लाइफ भी तो एक जर्नी ही है, राइट? लेकिन हम अपना मन भर लेते हैं कंप्लेन से, कंपैरिजन से. मन कहता है मेरे पास सब कुछ नहीं है, वो ज्यादा लग गया है, मुझे कम मिला है. दिस कॉन्स्टेंट कम है फीलिंग स्लोली टर्न्स इनटू जेलसी, और ईर्ष्या जीवन को बोझ बना देती है. बट व्हाट इफ वी जस्ट शिफ्टेड द थॉट? जो मिला है उसका आभार करो. सांस ले रहे हो, इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग. Jealousy burdens the heart. Gratitude lightens it. So the next time when your mind says, ये नहीं है मेरे पास, just say, जो है वही काफी है. This episode reminds us, when ego is louder than empathy, even gods fall. When fear and greed overpower dharma, even a mother forgets her soul. And the womb, the most sacred space, becomes a battlefield. Whether you are a Dev or Asura, the moment your actions come from insecurity or obsession, the consequences are the same: destruction. So ask yourself, am I holding on to fear? Am I chasing something out of lack? Or am I walking this journey lightly with gratitude?
We often fear losing what we have, or we crave more than we need. But is that fear or greed worth hurting someone's soul? Episode 2 reminds us, when fear drives our actions and ego silences our hearts, we don't win anything. We just destroy peace. So today, choose differently. Let go of the heaviness, let go of the comparisons. Gratitude is lighter, and light always travels further. Until next time, protect your peace.